Today we have a 2011 Chevy Camaro. We'll be replacing the right side catalytic converter. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the heat shield on the exhaust manifold here. It's held in place by, I believe, 3 10mm bolts. One obviously right there, as you can see. One further back right there beneath the exhaust manifold bolt, as well as one even further down towards the as you can see, the catalytic converter right there. So we're going to remove this heat shield first in order to expose the nuts holding the catalytic converter in place. Once we do that, we'll get to the next step. So I wanted to go ahead and show y'all where the third 10mm bolt would be. It's right here. So I already removed the two up top, so now I'm going to remove this one and get this heat shield away in order for us to remove the nuts right behind here. So after removing that 10mm bolt here, as you can see, the exhaust manifold just kind of comes off now. I'm going to remove it from up top and remove the two nuts holding the cat to the exhaust manifold here. There are two number 15 nuts there. However, before I go back up top and remove that, I'm going to go ahead and remove the O2 sensors, one here and one there. So a little FYI, the upstream O2 sensor will be located up here. Let's see if I can get y'all a good view here. So if I reach my hand here, it is this one right here that's wiggling up and down with the blue tab. I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug it. The cat is still hot. Kind of burned my arm in the process of trying to remove this. So I'm just gonna unplug this and just release it and remove it once we get out the engine. And go ahead as well and remove those two 15mm, located one right there and the other on the other side. As you can see, the heat shield is right here. I'm just gonna push it to the side in order to get to those two bolts, or nuts, sorry, and we'll get back to removing it. So after removing those two nuts up top, holding the cat to the exhaust manifold, the same number 15, we're gonna loosen these up, then we're gonna slide it out, removing it and getting ready to replace. All right, also I have my new catalytic converter here. Went ahead and transferred the O2 sensors over with some anti-seizing compound in there as well. You also may need to transfer the stud over. With the number 7, you can remove it from the old one and transfer it over. The nut came off, the stud came off the nut I tried to remove earlier from here, so just got to get that put on later. And then we're also gonna go ahead and install the gasket here. Just placing it in, and now we're gonna go ahead and throw it back in the car. So let's get this back in. All right, y'all, so I have the cat installed here, clamped in, O2 sensor, downstream O2 sensor plugged in here, all in, upstream one plugged in up there, tightened down, as well as the heat shield back on, and that's it. Just clear the code and let it run, and we're done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.